How to remove profile picture on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove profile picture on BeReal. First open BeReal and now click on your profile here in the top corner, and after that click these 3 points and then click this one here. Click on your profile here, and here we'll find update profile picture. Click on it, and here you will find it, delete profile picture. Now just click on it, and that's it. As you see, profile picture have been deleted. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.